Blue, say hi.
Say, Jared, heat on your tires so you can take them to Maryland with you. My smell. Welcome back. So we have our 1990 Nissan 300ZX. I've actually sold this car, so we've got to do everything that's wrong with it, and then the new owner wants to fix pretty much everything that's wrong with it so he can take it to Maryland. First thing, tires is our big issue. So this one leaked down. I know the front one leaks. I don't know if it's this one or that one or the other one, but we got the new wheels. So check this out. 35th anniversary 350Z wheels are going to go on here, and today we're going to put these on, and then we'll continue with our inspection. Let's talk about these wheels. These are 350Z 35th anniversary wheels, I'm pretty sure. So you got 18 by 8.5 in the back, 18 by 8 in the front. We did a 245 35 on the front and a 255 35 on the rear. Alright, so what I really like about these new wheels and tires is how fast they are. Look how fast I can change this one. See that? Oh look, this is one Blue peed on.
I'll just let it there. When I take it back to the discount tire, that gentleman, lovely gentleman, will have the pleasure to rub it all in. Oh, get the cat to be on there.
He probably already did. Old and new.
Wow. New one looks pretty new.
Pretty new.
Yeah, the new one's a ton shinier.
Yeah. So these wheels are freshly powder coated.
Oh.
They have never been mounted or anything. So if there are any scratches, it's my fault and or discount tire.
Hopefully discount tire. And not you.
Yeah, I've been very careful. But I'm sure it's not the last time that these are going to come off, because I did order suspension. That's going to be in the video of things wrong with it. One of these rear stresses out, so we ordered a full Tang suspension system for it. All this rain and the rust? I'm just sitting here? Now, in case you video Nazis notice, both tires on this side are wrong. So 8.5 in the back, 8 in the front, and we told them put 255 on the back tires on the 8.5 inch rims and 245 on the 8 inch rims. And they did not do that. And it was not checked when they got picked up. So it's gonna go back tomorrow, and they're gonna fix it. So yeah, if you notice that these are 255s, I did not put the wrong wheel on, because this is the 8-inch wide wheel, and they messed up the tires. You got plenty of clearance with the brakes. You could put those CTSV calipers on here if you wanted. Plenty of room.
That's a cool mount for it.
Tree?
Yeah.
Tree mount, custom.
Provided by nature. Wish the phone had a tree mount.
You have a tripod.
I know. But a tree mount's cooler.
You can move the tripod. You can't move the tree mount.
Oh. Yeah, I guess you're right.
So, these brakes are brand new. I say brand new. They were replaced in 2018, but the car only has like 500 miles on it since then. But I've got this lip right here already. Quite from rust buildup.
What was that?
It slipped off the jack. Probably because I wasn't looking where I jacked it up. I didn't jack it up in the right spot.
Uh-oh.
That's why you don't work in the dark. Something always goes wrong. Alright. Put this in the center console. You want to watch me lower it down?
This is the inside. It's very dark.
I can't see anything. It's dark.
Now it's brighter. And this is the thingy.
Okay. I'm going to back this up.
Okay.
And we're going to check and see if anything rubs when I'm turning the steering.
Okay. Yep. Anymore.
No rubbing.
Yay, no rubbing. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe and stay tuned for everything that's wrong with it. Bye.